Hello friends, you are welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be learning about how we can be able to design a YouTube banner. So a banner is something like this on your YouTube. So this is a banner on your YouTube. So we are going to edit something like this and then upload it on our YouTube. We are going to keep it simple so that everything will be organized on our website. So I do usually use Adobe Photoshop to create anything I want to create or design anything I want to design, like flyer, like a banner like this, or thumbnail. But in this video, for more accessibility, I'm going to be using Canva. So I think everyone will be able to access Canva either on their PC or on your phone. So if you have a phone, do not worry. However, we are going to do it on PC is the same way you are going to do it on phone. So without further ado, let's dive right in. When you go to your URL and type canva.com, so it will bring you here. And once you get here, Canva have a lot of templates that have already been made. So all you just need to do is to choose your favorite. So once you get here, you go to this search box and then you click on YouTube banner. And now if you see the drop down, you are going to see different options. So which one fits what you are searching for, you just have to click it. So I'm just going to click something like the YouTube channel banner. So when any of them opens, all you just need to do is to look for your favorite, the one you like and the one you can work with. So as you can see, there are lots of them, yet thousands of them. So you just go ahead and select them, and note the one that have this icon here, which is pro, it means you are going to purchase it. And there are other one where you have Naira sign as well, it means you are also going to purchase it. So you just go and look for the free ones to use. There are a lot of beautiful free ones that you can use. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to choose a simple one and then design it and upload it to our YouTube channels. I'm just going to click on this, it will open, and then I will click on customize. The more reason why I choose this banner is because you can see this part is at the center. It means even though you are using a PC to view it, you can see everything, you know, wide and open this way. And while you are using the phone, you might not be able to see this part below or the up above. You are going to see this center one. Only this center place is somehow going to appear. So it's very important that any text you are going to put on your banner should be at the center, so that whenever you are viewing it, it will be responsive. You get? So I would recommend that you have something like this as your banner for your YouTube channel. In most cases, people can just go ahead and upload anything there, but I recommend you do this. If you are selling clothes, you can have a clothes background and have this text at the middle. If you are selling anything, you can have a background of that thing and then have this text on the middle. I believe you get the logic. So the next thing to do is to go ahead and edit this thing. You can see it's just to change the name and then you are good to go. So if there are other things you can do, there are a lot of functionalities you can use. If you need any elements like arrow, elements like a click button, elements like anything you can think of, any icon that you need, you use element. If you need text, you can go ahead and click on text. If you need a brand, you know, kind of brand, you go ahead and click on brand. If you want to upload anything, you go ahead and upload. If you want to draw, you draw. And here is your project. If you want to go ahead and continue to edit any project, you click on project and you find your project. So this is how it look on PC, and also you will find this on your phone. So we are going ahead to do things here. So I'm just going to change the name to Philip 1. So just click it and it will alight. So I'm going to say Philip 1, that's the name of my YouTube channel. Or you can write something like welcome to Philip 1 channel, things like that. So I'm just going to leave it at Philip 1. So now I'm going to change this. What's the channel all about? I can say business vlog, and now I'm going to leave this subscribe button. So it's very important you add a subscribe button there so that people can see it and it will bring it to their remembrance that they have to subscribe. So you can go ahead and change the background. If you want to change the background, it's very easy. All you just need to do is to highlight the background, and you are going to see it being highlighted with this box, rectangle box around it, and then you come to color and you can change the color, and make sure the color you are choosing will match your YouTube channel. It could be the color you are going to be using in your thumbnail. You don't need to be using different kind of color. Just choose at least 2 or 3 color that you'll be using your YouTube channel all through. So if I'm going to leave it at this color purple, it means I'm going to be using this color in anything I build on my YouTube channel, like thumbnail and other things I will be uploading. So you get the logic. So I'm going to change the color. You can go ahead and just play with the color. So I think I like this color, it's cool. So you can go ahead and play with everything here. So now you can see my subscribe button is not showing. That means I need to change the color. I think I should just leave the color the way it is. So now you can go ahead and continue to, if you want to edit details, you can go ahead and highlight details and reduce the font. If you want to, you can select the font that you want here and choose any font. So I'm just going to leave everything the way it is. You can go ahead and change color for the text, and the text color will also be changed. You can see the text color has been changed. I'm going to leave it at white. So I'm going to leave everything the way it is. Now you can go and change the image. Click on the image and I'll come to upload. So if you have any image on your Canva already, you can go ahead and just drag it to this place, but I'm just going to upload an image to my Canva. So you click on upload. So now this is the image I'm going to use. So I'm just going to drag it and place it there, and it will be replaced. So note, whenever you are using an image like this, I would recommend you use a headshot image. You can see that the image can be, you know, a little above or a little below your shoulder. You can see my own is also showing too much of my body, but you can go ahead, if you have any image that is a headshot image, you can go ahead and use it. I recommend that more. So though this is not bad as well. So once you are done doing this, you can go ahead and look around to know if you are going to add other things. So this is as simple as how to make a banner. So now once you are done with everything, you can go and see. So anything you want to edit, very easy. Click on the image, and now you can come to color here and change the color of the image, how it will look. So anything you highlight, go above here and just, you know, do it however you want to do it. So once you get to Canva, try to play with everything. Just play with everything so that you get used to it. Use the functionalities here. If you need anything, just use anything here. If you want a box, if you want anything, you use element text. You can use any kind of text you want to use. We have different fonts of text. We have also a template for text. So we have elements, and you can just go ahead and search anything you want to search. We have a lot of icons under elements and search for them. So this is how to use the Canva for creating a banner. So play with it, and I believe you become perfect. So if you think the image is too big, you can go ahead and also reduce it. You highlight it, and then you can reduce it using here. So it's very simple. Anything you want to do is just highlight and you do it. So once you are done, so you come to share, and you can click on share, and you go to download. Now I'm going to click on download. So it has been downloaded. So I'm going to go to my folder and see. I'll go to download and I'll click on it. So now you can see our banner is looking beautiful. So you can edit it however you want to edit it. You can bring everything to the center. You can drag anything anywhere you want to drag it. So far it's looking beautiful. So I love it like this because it's very simple. Now we are able to create our banner. So the next thing you need to do is to go ahead and upload it on your YouTube channel. So I believe we've been able to learn this. So you go ahead and play with everything, and I believe you become a professional. Alright, stay good and stay cool till we meet in the next video. Bye bye.